Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. As you know, I have been gone. I have been in Paris, roaming around, seeing the sights, eating the eats, all of that fun stuff. I am home. I am attempting to recuperate. I have not been home for long. 1 a.m. this morning. Whew, but I saw boxes and I thought to myself, okay, I'll sit down, I will record, and then I will take the next couple of days to relax as I just upload videos. So, the first box I have for you is the box. Now, generally you would see this with the box written across, and I just got a little sticker. I know that they had some technical difficulties with this box. This is August's box, so this is just their second box, I think. Second or third. But anywho, I got the recommendation from the Not So Evil Stepmother for this box, and her and just Anne have been uploading this box. They both have a bunch of information on their channel. You know me, I just open boxes. I really don't do the information side of it, but you know, I would implore you to go over there if you'd like in-depth information about the box. The box by Fashionsta, not Fashionista, Fashionsta. I know that I did notice that some people have gotten that mixed up, but I just want to be clear, it is Fashionsta and not Fashionista. But like I said, they have lots of information on their box openings about this box. Also, just real quick, and I will put a timestamp in this video if you want to skip this part on when I actually start opening the box. But I just want to say a few words about the Not So Evil Stepmother. I don't know, I'm not going to put names out there. I'm not into that sort of stuff. I just want to say that there are a few people that have kind of tried to drag her name through the mud, and I just want to say, from my perspective and my dealings with her and my conversations with her, that she is a very genuine person. She tries to state facts. She does have opinions, but you know, when she's investigating boxes, she tries to state facts. She does the best of her ability to state facts. And so, you know, I just want to put that out there, that I feel like she is very genuine, and the people that are trying to run her name through the mud, I just want to give a big thumbs down to, because she's not any of the things that they are saying. So I want to throw that out there. I feel like I'm a pretty good judge of character. I have been in my entire life. I have a character dar, I call it, you know, to where I can pretty much judge character very well. I mean, I get vibes from people almost immediately, and generally, I have been wrong on occasion, but generally my first impressions are pretty on point, and I just want to say that I think she's a great person. Anyway, I'm done with that. We are going to get into the box. Now, you know me, I don't know how much this cost. I want to say it's about 20 bucks. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen, but it's like 19 or 20 bucks, I'm almost positive. So let's get into it. And this is a new and upcoming box subscription. I think that the unboxings that I have seen, I think that they have been pretty great. So I opened the box. Oh, I got a glare going on. Hello, glare. There we go. So I opened the box, and this is what I see. And there is a note in here that says, please excuse the plain unmarked black box. In order to expedite your subscription without further delay, we opted to send this box style. We apologize you missed out on the full The Box by Fashionsta unboxing experience. Please forgive us and enjoy this month's glam packaged box. So this is August's box. I am unboxing it in September because I was on vacation, but I actually received this box the day after I left. So it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. I don't know if you can tell on my face or not. I'm pretty exhausted. You have scored $100 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy. So I open it, and it's, ooh, my sticker came undone, but there is the box. And I open it up. Let's see, does it give you, oh, it does. On the back of this, it tells you how much, ooh, sorry, my fan is going. It shows you how much everything is worth. I know that's kind of small print, so I will just tell you. The first thing I am pulling out is a beauty blusher by Beauty Blender. Why am I having all this glare going on right now? And this retails for $16. And this is a mid-size applicator. It's designed to deliver a seamlessly blend the perfect amount of blush onto your cheeks. Huh. I mean, I'm sure you can use it just like you would any other type of a blender, but whether it's for foundation, concealer, or whatever, but I've never heard of or used a sponge for blush, so that's kind of cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Soothe Operator, very hydrating face and boost mist. And oh, there it is. Every day for everybody, Soothe Operator, and it retails for $18. You know, I could be totally mistaken. It's been a while since I've watched any of these unboxed, but I'm just kind of peeking in here and I see things that other people haven't gotten, so maybe there are variations. I don't know. Like I said, it's a new box, and if you want that sort of information, you have to go somewhere else to get it. I'm just here to open a box. But, I mean, you know, like I know with BoxyCharm there's a variation, and I know with Ipsy Plus there's a variation. So maybe there's a variation with this too. Just kind of peeking in here, I'm seeing. Okay, anyway, so there is the face mist. The next thing, and this is mainly what I was talking, I haven't seen anybody with this, maybe I'm wrong, but the next thing I'm pulling out is a blush by Tarte in the color Bikini Bottoms. And this is an extra because it's not on here. Okay, that's fun and exciting. I like extras. So, I mean, it's totally an extra. I don't know if you can see, but it's not on here. Pause the screen there. Okay, that's cool. I'm down. Oh, wait. Here, let me show you the color. That's a really pretty color. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is a Lorac Alter Ego Lip Gloss in the color Duchess. And I am not going to open this. I have so many Lorac lipsticks and lip glosses that I have just never used. So I am going to pass this on to someone that would get more use out of it. But that retails for $17. The next thing I am pulling out is Atelier Eye Primer. And let's see, we'll take a peek, but I will not open it. I will pass this along. You know, I have my Ride or Dies primers, so I will just stick to that. But that is super cute packaging. And that retails for $32. That's nice. Love it. The next thing I am pulling out is a Lorac Mechanical Eyeliner. I am not seeing, it's a brown liner. I don't use brown. I will pass this along. Does it have a name? not seeing a name. I will open it and show you the color. Maybe there's a name on here. No, it just says Eyeliner Brown. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, that's cool. It's like a slanted eyeliner. I've never seen one shaped like that. That's cool. Interesting. Okay, so there is that. And that retails for $19. I feel like I'm missing something. The next thing I am pulling out is a Sigma or a powder. And this is also a blush, and it retails for $19 in the color, I don't know if you can see that, in the color Pet Me. And I will give this an open. Oh, that's pretty packaging. I like that. And then this is what the back looks like. And then the color looks like that. That's a really pretty pinky peach. It's a very light pinky peach. That is pretty. I don't know, maybe I will keep that. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Maybe I will keep it. And the last thing I am pulling out is an eyeshadow palette. Real Her 3. Oh, I'm sorry, that Sigma. Did I say that Sigma blush was $19? And then the Real Her eyeshadow palette retails for $28. And I will definitely pass this along. This is going to go into the current, oop, let's see. This will also go into the current giveaway. I don't need it. And I like to give back, so, you know, it will go in the current giveaway. I've got a surprise coming up with the giveaway. I want to get some of these boxes opened first, but there is that. And this is what the palette looks like on the inside. It's really pretty colors, really cool toned. So that's nice. Somebody will enjoy that. Okay, you guys, so let's just recap really quick. So we got the eyeshadow palette that retails for $28. We got the Sigma blush that retails for $19. I don't think I have this color. I will probably keep that. We have the Atelier, I'm pretty sure that's Atelier. I'm almost positive that's Atelier. I have perfumes from Atelier, and I'm pretty sure that that's it. If I'm wrong, don't kill me. So this retails for $32. We have the Girl Lactic in brown, and that retails for $19. We have the Soothe Operator face spray for everyday, and it's $18. We have the Tarte Blush that does not have a price. It just seemed to be an extra in my box, so cool. And then we have the Lorac Lipgloss for $17. I have to say, you guys, I think that this is a great box. I mean, I got this box because the boxes I did see opened of it looked like a great box. So I am happy. I'm happy with it. I can't wait to see September's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It's probably not very informative since I am late unboxing it, but I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, and of course, if I have a code for this box or whatever, I'll try to find it. I'll link it down below. And there's other information down in the box or down in the bottom if you guys are interested. Have a great day. Bye.